right? Rome chapter 3 verse 22. Rome mga pitum rin akulitum. So ma he swal ta fung he se lo he mic stand le keynote stand te he minung panik and ben sitter to lai to the extremes, the ends of ends. All right. He mic stand he he don't stand he nak cha mi swal kan sitter to lai. Valay chung ya swal big mi pa kham ji da sikhan an thaiti ma camp review se Hitler not gonna swell out me umtilo Rome. There is no one as worse as who? Hitler. All right, so kandila kin Hitler not so kan tada to go se. And then who is the most righteous man to ever live? Job. Job him itabik se. Hoy thay nakin atada ti mi Bible a fiang kan ho. Okay, Job he atabik mi to go se. Hitler aswal big me. Job he atabik me kan ni minung via le sa akarlaka kan umde. All of us, we come in between, right? We come in between Job and who? Hitler. All right, ladies, take one step back. We're going to make these 4 guys represent sinners. All right, Joseph. Joseph, murderer. Joseph is a murderer. Hitler. All right, he is as bad as Hitler, almost. Boy Velcho, a gangster. Gangster with a rat tail. All right, gangster se to lai ni him me velo kan ni US me thalan mangai ni tu chon nam tem fanlai Australia gangster bantuken. Johan Jo rapist. Horrible. Mitlik shem hang mi. Aswal Kotning Jo Johan Dahmer. Not Jeffrey Dahmer, Johan Dahmer. Tony, what are you going to be? All right, Tony is just going to be a player. Nungak tam to ke I join me. Nungak zakat rong me. All right, the next Solomon. Slume, hina point pol cho miswal and say and swal bak cho take ko zong se. These guys are all sinners. They're all what? Sinners, and they know by what they do. All right, these ladies will represent good people. Okay, pastor. Okay, kanchen pastor. Pastor sanglai. Okay, next we're gonna make. What's your name again? Romy is gonna be a doctor. Doctor. Me. Velon chan tu. Dim is gonna be a straight A student. Sa tiang tak mi nule pa no ngai peng mi. Chin Chin is going to be a preacher just like me. Tong to chim tu. Hey,